This is the Realme Buds T01. Let's see how to connect it to MacBook. First, turn on Bluetooth on your MacBook. The Realme Buds T01 device is now visible on MacBook. Now connect it. The Realme Buds T01 is now connected to MacBook. If the Realme Buds T01 is not visible on MacBook, then reset your buds. Take out the buds from the case. This is the touchpad of Realme Buds T01. Press and hold the touchpad for 5 seconds, then the buds will be reset. After resetting, the Buds device will be visible on MacBook. Now connect it. The Realme Buds T01 is now connected to MacBook.